Your ads keep getting declined no matter what you do, and it's really frustrating because you spent a lot of time on them. Don't worry, this video is a quick and simple guide what should you do to solve this problem. First, if your ad is declined, you need to open it and read the notification from moderators to understand why it was declined. For example, this ad was declined because of destination quality. Okay, this means something is wrong with the channel or bot that you want to promote. Second, go to Ad Policies and Guidelines and carefully read the rules. In my case, I need to read about destination requirements, especially destination quality, how my channel or bot must look to be accepted by moderators. In this case, I see that destination contains emojis that moderators might consider excessive. To be honest, before Telegram moderators approved my ads with these emojis, but rules change or maybe moderators change and now they don't approve it. So I remove these emojis. Then I can send the ad for review again. This is just one example. There can be many different reasons and each case is individual. But in every case, you need to carefully check your ad follows all the rules in ad policies and guidelines. Your destination, channel or bot follows all the rules in ad policies and guidelines. Every time someone asks me why their ad was declined, the reason is always that their ad or channel violates Telegram's ad policies and guidelines. Pay attention if your channel or bot is related to cryptocurrency, forex, casino, or similar topics. It can be much harder to get approval from moderators. If you still have questions about your ads, join my private community. It's just for Telegram channel and bot owners. You will get direct access to me. I personally answer every question. Community support. Learn from others running Telegram ads, channels or bots. Exclusive strategies, tips I don't share anywhere else. The link to join the private community is in the description.